Let me ask you something. Do you ever sit at your desk, open your laptop, and somehow end up scrolling, snacking, or reorganizing your pens instead of doing the actual work? That's procrastination. And it's not about laziness. It's your brain playing tricks on you. Procrastination isn't a time problem. It's an emotion regulation problem. When we face a task that feels boring or difficult, our brain tries to protect us from the discomfort. So it pushes us toward quick dopamine hits, like social media or snacks. Psychologists call this time inconsistency. Your brain values short-term rewards more than long-term goals. That's why scrolling Instagram feels easier than writing an essay. Think about this. You plan to start studying at 5 p.m. At 5:01, you say, I'll just check one message. At 5:15, you're knee-deep in memes. Suddenly it's 7 p.m. and now you feel guilty, which makes starting even harder. Sound familiar? Here are 3 simple techniques to break the cycle and actually get things done. 1. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away. And if a task feels too big, just commit to working on it for 2 minutes. Often, starting is the hardest part. 2. Task breakdown. Instead of writing finish essay on your to-do list, break it into find sources, make outline, write intro. Small wins create momentum. 3. Remove triggers, move distractions out of sight. Phone in another room, notifications off. Even little changes can make focusing 10 times easier. So, which of these techniques will you try first? Comment below and let's beat procrastination together. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend who always says, I'll do it tomorrow.